Hey Canadian crypto explorers, if you've tried to dive into crypto trading but ended up frustrated by platforms that are either too complex or just underwhelming, you're not alone. I've tested more platforms than I can count, and many looked promising at first, but eventually delivered nothing but fluff. But then I discovered TechNarix, and everything changed. This isn't just another flashy app. TechNarix is a fully automated AI-driven trading platform built specifically for Canadians. It makes crypto investing effortless, smart, and surprisingly stress-free, even if you've never traded before. Here's the best part. I have access to an exclusive invite link. Sign up through it and you'll receive a special welcome bonus that's not available on the public site. It's a limited time deal for early users, so click the link below to get your advantage now. What sets TechNarix apart? 100% hands-free AI trading. TechNarix scans global crypto markets around the clock, finds profitable opportunities in real time, and executes trades automatically. No chart watching, no guesswork, no experience required. Proven results. Users report daily returns between 150 Canadian dollars and 400 Canadian dollars, with some seeing monthly gains up to 70%, depending on market conditions. Once it's set up, TechNarix runs on autopilot, delivering smart, passive income powered by real-time artificial intelligence. TechNarix fully adheres to FinTrack, KYC, and AML standards in Canada. Your funds and personal data are protected with military-grade encryption and hosted on secure, compliant cloud infrastructure. You can trade with true peace of mind. Start trading with TechNarix in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Create your account. Sign up within minutes and get a call from your own TechNarix manager who will guide you through everything. Step 2. Activate your account. Follow your manager's instructions to activate and securely fund your account. Step 3. Start trading. Access smart trading tools. Choose a strategy and let the automation run, all while you stay in full control. TechNarix stands out for its smart automation with intelligent bots that execute your custom strategies 24/7. No guesswork, no stress. Its user-friendly interface makes navigating the markets easy, whether you're a beginner or a pro. With a proven 85% success rate, backed by real data and user feedback, you can trade with confidence. Plus, real-time insights keep you ahead of the curve with live data, instant alerts, and expert analytics at your fingertips. Plus, TechNarix offers flexible pricing plans for all types of traders. Whether you're just testing the waters or scaling up serious strategies, there's a plan tailored for you with powerful tools and personalized support. TechNarix offers flexible plans for every level of trader. The free plan, $0, gives you basic tools, manual trading, and a welcome call, perfect for beginners. The Pro plan, $249, includes full automation, advanced strategies, priority support, real-time signals, and access to the Pro dashboard. For serious traders, the custom plan provides a dedicated account manager, API integrations, and tailored strategy setups, with pricing based on your needs. Whether you're starting small or scaling big, there's a plan that fits. You need help? TechNarix has a real Canada-based support team available 24/7, no chatbots, no delays, just real people who understand the local market. And let's circle back to that exclusive invite link. It's your key to unlocking full access, bonus features, and premium tools from day one. Sign up now to claim it. What else makes TechNarix special? The AI doesn't just rely on simple signals. It learns and adapts dynamically, improving with every trade. You stay in control by setting stop losses, customizing your risk level, and selecting the coins you believe in. Automation doesn't mean losing control. No shady offshore gimmicks here. Developed by a trusted team with deep understanding of Canada's regulatory framework, TechNarix emphasizes transparency and compliance. They even offer live onboarding sessions, which are rare in this space. Ready to get started? This is your moment. With powerful AI, true Canadian compliance, and a user-friendly platform, TechNarix helps you invest smarter and safer. Click the link, sign up via the invite, grab your welcome bonus, and begin growing your crypto portfolio the stress-free Canadian way.